Tighten up a little bit. That fits pretty good. I'm gonna go. Alright, safety PSA on this one. Do not breathe that dust in. It will mess you up. Tap in. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's get this boy. Take it back to his home. Good. Yes, perfect. Oh my gosh, it's gonna hold.
Where does the power go?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
But the nice thing is we can pick up the cinder blocks and move it if we have to.
But and yeah, and you put it in there. Good, Casey.
Yep, we got our.
Super good.
Oh my gosh, you've been really going back here.
He's done great.
They're anchored in.
Wow. I cannot believe you just did this whole thing.
He's good, man. He's gonna be better than any of them.
Well, I just, sandy soil, just scooped it out, made it level.
Then you got your sun hat on.
Yeah.
My man.
We're coming in hot. We're almost to the finish line.
You guys keeping Casey company?
Yeah.
Oh, good
We're
job.
almost done. You're not, darling.
Ooh, you got it.
We'll grind it.
It's letting us down. Not you, this thing though.
This hole's just so big.
All right, come up here and put your putty under there, Steve, and screw it out if you need to.
Man, I thought they said this was a 2-hour project.
Put this putty in there. Hope it be more waterproof.
Huh. A lot of putty. It's like gassing.
Redo it. It's okay. See, it's got to come down.
Yeah.
I think I can drop it down to right there. I'll fix the buffer. There you go.
Bust some sun.
So then the only thing we'll have to do is undo our spool of charge stuff. Put it over to here, to hook into here.
Yay. Doesn't work though.
Hey, Miss Dad.
Hello. Y'all made some progress?
Put that up there. And for right now, that's the only thing that's going to go up there.
Okay.
Really well.
I thought it was like a 2-way valve.
I mean,
Did you read the instructions?
I did. It didn't say anything about that.
No instructions.
Not on that part.
Well, it did say for professionals only, not DIY.
Really?
Maybe they're assuming that you do know if you are installing this. What's that? That can't be a good noise.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Is it hissing?
Said it's supposed to hiss, apparently.
Yeah.
Guys, it's your boy unboxing another thing. Thank you for purchasing.
You're putting Phoebe to sleep.
Zoom in on this. Turns out this weed's stronger than my paper.
You know what we need to do right now is hang up all the clothes in the dryer.
What we need is to collect a bunch of these so we can use them to make rope, because they're obviously quite tough. Piping operation.
I don't have any idea. This is beyond my feeble brain to figure. If you feel like that you are not, we can't do it, then we can call an air conditioner guy.
I get the sense that this one's going to be about $100 probably.
Well, for a torque wrench?
For one that's open on the end.
Gosh, I just don't think it's really not that. Well, wouldn't guess these days. Oh, it's nice back here. You could hide back here and nobody ever find you.
This is where we hide with Miss Mittens.
Back
Yeah,
here?
where is she? See her later?
Not nighttime yet enough for her.
Where did she go?
I don't know. Hay barn?
She does live in the hay barn for a lot of times.
You think you just hook it up, connect your thing, and somehow it'd work.
I mean, that's what I'm thinking.
So then we're gonna go there and get it and
We're not gonna
what?
do it tomorrow again. You can go around and do air conditioning work now. Learn how to do this, because we'll probably have to do it again.
Yeah, that'd be fun. It's already fun.
Y'all are having fun.
Yeah.
I had fun all day. I'm funned out, just about.
Dad's just gonna go non-stop.
I was told that I'd have plenty to do for the next year. Well, there'll be some breaks, so
Yeah.
I wanted to get that wiring done.
You see where it comes out over here?
This is disappointing.
What is?
The air conditioner.
Well, Steph, you can't run over here and grab a evacuator and do it in 5 minutes after work. What you need to do is tonight, when it's dark, go in there and set all that up. Know what you're gonna do, and tomorrow when you get home from work, you'll be ready.
Yep.
That's just the way it'll have to be.
So in order to torque it correctly, we need one that's open, like a normal adjustable wrench. You know, one that, or
I
whatever's
think we
in
should
there.
not have bought this. You want to undo all of this and send it back?
And then let you order whatever you want.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not saying we're gonna do it. I'm just saying
It's one of the options.
one of the options.
So we're back here with the split unit, and I'm
Day
about to.
12.
It's taken a little longer. We've had to get some new things, and we've had to think about it for a little bit. But I feel confident now that we can do this, and it's not going to be an issue. We've got our vacuum pump hooked up to the low pressure line, and we are going to turn this baby on and get some vacuum pressure in our AC lines. If the vacuum pressure holds, we will then let the Freon out, or coolant, or whatever's in there. I think it's Freon. I don't know. But then we'll have a split unit, and our house will be cooler or warmer depending on what the heck we want. You ready?
That seems to be the problem here.
Yes. So what happened was, right, so when you turn this on, it starts to create suction. You know, it's pulling pretty hard based on, you know, how much resistance is there. And if you don't open the valve to allow it to actually suck air out of this thing, it doesn't like it. You can see that it's a little bit past zero, so zero is just our normal atmospheric pressure, and as it goes more negative, then that means that we're creating a negative vacuum in the system. What we're going to do is close that valve and turn off the thing and make sure that it keeps its vacuum seal. If it does, it means that I hooked it up correctly, and if I hooked it up correctly, that means I can then turn these keys and let the Freon in.
We can't wait. Hey, Ginge! Did you come to join us?
She looks really happy right there.
I know. All right, we'll be back in 10.
-1, right? So that means that it's held its pressure. I've tightened everything sufficiently. So now we'll just have to get it off really quick and take off these little caps on this. And we're going to turn it with an Allen wrench key. What size, I don't know yet.
Casey's doing all this the first time ever. From YouTube University to working on the
All right, one smaller.
mini split.
Okay. Now this part's dangerous, it might blow up.
It's not gonna actually blow up, that's a joke, right?
Yeah. It's supposed to stop, okay?
Are we gonna?
Screw
Oh, look.
this back on. Did it go pressurized?
Yeah.
Good.
You're the man, Casey.
That's pressurized.
So you're gonna do the red one too?
So you actually don't have to do the red ones. It only takes the blue one, apparently. At this point, I've got to take this pressurized line off, and it's gonna squirt out some coolant.
And you don't want to get it splashed in your eyes.
Yep, I like my eyeballs not frozen, so that's nice. Okay, you ready? You ready to see it? You ready to do it?
It's not actually dangerous, Mom. I'm just.
It's about to
I mean, I
make some
don't want it
noise, so don't.
Mom, it's not going to get you. It's just coolant. I'm mostly being extra cautious, you know.
Hey, Josh.
Well, no, I did think the goggles were a good idea.
Oh, this is getting twisted.
Coolant.
Coolant. Okay. Wow.
Uh-oh. some? I'm sure he's trying.
All right, there we go.
What a good idea to wear goggles. The moment of truth.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, inside.
Oh.
It's getting colder, so I think we did it.
Casey's the
You
man.
did it.
We
It
did
is
it.
definitely cold.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm basically a professional AC unit guy now.
Great. Now we can comfortably live here while we work on the property, explore, make friends, and of course have some mishaps.